Hello guys and welcome back to another video. We have the whole family here for this video because Jojo here said she doesn't believe that the Dave's hot chicken is portion that I did.
Louder.
Right? Leave your apples for her!
Put the apple for my apple juice for myself.
If Jojo does not believe that the Dave's hot chicken report challenge is spicy enough, she thinks that she can do it.
It's not only
right?
Jojo, even I don't believe it.
No, mom does not believe
They are
it.
I don't
doubters.
believe it.
How
How can it be anything other than what we eat in Nigeria?
I am telling you, you have to sign a waiver to get it.
If I've just
If even though I've not
Anyway,
said
the
it, I
challenge
believe
is
because I watched it.
I'm
Ready, I'm pumped.
Okay now, she said she's ready, Abby.
okay.
3, 2, 1, start.
Go.
That's the chicken, right?
The two of them, the two chicken and the chicken.
This was
Let's see. Calm down. Hey.
don't easier for family. Don't try to don't try and kill us. Don't try to
So is it that we chicken this video?
eat, you want eat.
Can do this.
Yeah, you can do it.
You see, you have to sign waiver in case I die.
I don't see it. I can't believe it.
See, like $50 gone. Are you still there? Please stay over my head.
Leave it now, leave that thing, leave everything. You jump back.
Can I have water?
No.
You said I can't have water.
Wait,
You don't have water. That's it.
Nicholas said I can't have water.
Give me
Because if you are in case you say water. Oh my god!
You have water.
Who don't make you water?
Milk. Give her water. Give her water.
She wants you.
Yeah, is it really that bad? Keep the front of your head. Look at you.
What is the river? I say other river.
It's river. It is fine. It is not something. It is fine. You know, it's coming here and talking.
Oh my god! Water! Even wipe your tongue. Story, come back story.
You can do this.
Someone is dying before our eyes.
That's the time I should cry, mom. She should cry for days. I don't cry for days. She was eating heavy ration.
Get your picture together. I'm telling you.
Wait, 5 minutes is too much. I just made 15 minutes. Can you make a video up to 5 minutes?
I'm going to cut it out now.
Okay, next bite.
Try.
He's not eating bread, exactly. He's not eating bread.
I will this one. So very nice.
Because they are giving redness now.
Try the dip so maybe.
This is giving bullying, you know. Why do I have to eat it?
Because you said you don't believe that it's
I
spicy
believe.
now.
I believe for them to be going through all this, even up to the point of ice.
It's you in the eyes. Look at this bite now. Look at this bite. I said no sauce. When I requested this night, I requested no sauce.
You didn't say no sauce.
No, it's fine.
You yourself.
When I requested this, I requested no sauce. I said don't give me any sauce. I pity you for the next 2 days. You will not sit, you will not sleep well.
Both them.
Can you do this right?
Yes. Three,
How many minutes?
1, go.
She has some time. She has 6 minutes.
Remember that time we tasted spicy bowl that noodles, red one, the red one. Remember it? $2, right?
Is it worth your life? Is it worth your soul?
You will shit for the next.
$50, right?
$50, right? $50, right?
So cheap. $50 I want to die.
$50, I should not buy the Apple Watch. $50, right?
Even all her purses, all the purses that she only know change, they buy it.
When you're dropping 10.
I know. But she won't be dealing her.
This left. Okay. She's not finished. Just eat all the chips and chips on the plate.
I'm not telling chips.
I need 2 of them, the 2 chicken and the chips, everything. I need all the chips. I said empty the plate. You have to eat all the chips in the plate. Just eat all the chips in the plate.
When you eat bread, you have to eat bread.
Eat the bread and chips. That's the whole pack.
You want to try, Sha? Must be with her.
Let's use her.
Pause.
And guys, it's official.
She tapped out.
She tapped out. Challenge. She could not do it. But she still vomiting though. It was a valiant effort. But we save our money. You have to take one bite of the chicken. Just one bite. Just one bite of the chicken, yeah.
Not a scam bite, not a scam bite. One full bite.
No, don't take a here. Take a bite, like one of Judo's first bites.
How did she take a big bite?
A big bite, chunky bite. That's a good bite. Okay. Her nips are strong, go. Her nips are strong. You are very strong soldiers in this family.
What? I've done the cough.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
That is what?
Take me, don't take water.
Lick milk. Lick milk.
Oh boy.
Grab me apple juice. Grab me apple juice.
Hey God. Hey God.
I'm trying to think.
Lagos born and bred.
Hey God. That is it, guys. The Reaper has claimed another Ikomso. Eric, are you down for the challenge?
I'm not down for the challenge.
Take one bite.
I'm not down for the challenge.
One bite.
I'm not taking a bite.
Just show tomato and it's gone.
Okay, 3, 2.
Yes.
Yes. It's gone, it's over.
Over.
Hey.